Hello and welcome back to another video on our channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix TikTok filters not working. So if your filters on TikTok are not working, then make sure you watch this video without skipping any part. So the first thing that you can do to solve this problem is try to update the app of TikTok. Head over to the Play Store or the App Store depending upon your device. And if there is an update of TikTok, make sure you update and tap on update. These kind of issues normally cause because there are some kind of bug in the system, and updating apps helps to remove those kind of bugs. The second thing you can do is you can clear the cache and data of TikTok. Tap and hold the TikTok app and head over to app info. Tap on clear data and clear cache. If you're on an iOS, you can offload your app of TikTok. Again, tap on clear data and tap on OK. Now the next time you open up your TikTok account, you'll need to enter in your email address and password. Now after you do that, you should be able to see all the filters on your TikTok. I hope you guys liked this video and found this video to be helpful. If you did, then give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more videos.